Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This was going to be a tidying video, but instead it's about 5 minutes of watching my room get worse over the course of a week. This is Thursday morning, just before 7, and I'm thinking it's really time to deal with, I don't know, whatever that is and that whole counter is a situation. That's the hard candy Christmas collab though, mostly from there to there. I don't know. That's a project I started. I don't know what. That's just stuff I had to shove back there. This is Bird and a wonderful box of stuff that Mary gave me. I don't know why all the drawers are open. I get sidetracked. And there's stuff on the floor in various places. This is what it looks like at 6:15 on Friday night. So, not a big improvement. Been trying to make some improvements. Found some more stuff in the front room and brought it in and piled it here. Dug through some bins. Overall, it does not look better, does it? Oh, I tidied right there. The thread and the bobbins, thinned that out a little bit. It's not so good. What do you think, buddy? How we doing? Are we making good progress? Yeah? Should we get some treats? Get some treats? Yeah, okay. It's almost 7 a.m. on Saturday, and the only thing I've done this morning is tidy up from filming a video, so that's why the counter's clear right there. But you can see I made some pretty good progress last night. I seem to clean a little better when I'm tired or when I have the music on or something. If I'm full energy, I get too distracted and do something else. Found a bit of counter there. So I'm getting there, but I have a long ways to go. I'm going to work on Bird stuff today and tell you about this box in a video. The floor over here looks a little better, but let me tell you my secret. There's Wilson. Hi, Wilson. No, he's very busy. So here's my secret. I put all of the Christmas and winter stuff that was all over the floor here. This doesn't work if I want to do laundry or get things done, but it's fine for crafting time. So Christmas and winter have turned into 4 iris cases. I think there's a fall one somewhere. And this is my candy collab pile. So I still have a ways to go, but I'm thinking about making December dailies this week. Maybe that would cut down on the number of boxes. 6:45 Saturday night. I don't see major improvement. Do you? The tripod was there because I filmed a video. That big bin of books has been moved to a different room because I figure I'll use it when I watch TV. Christmas is not any cleaned up any more than it was. And I managed to make a mess on the counter. But the Bird journal piles, I think it got a little lower. I don't know. I'm telling myself it got better. This pile was out of the box that was on this table. So I don't know if it's better, but I have finished a few things and made some videos. It's 7:55 a.m. on Sunday, November 21st. I would not say it looks better. Also, I don't know that I've ever really shown you this pile. Yeah, that needs some work. And then instead of this being a craft room cleanup video, maybe it's a craft room evolving video, because I'm going to get out a 6-foot table and put all of this Christmas and holiday on it. So it's going to get worse before it gets better. But I've decided it's the 21st. I'm going to try and make some December dailies. It's a little after 8 p.m. on Monday. I have just cleaned up. Yeah, this is an improvement from making 3 winter journals over here. And then I have a candy journal laid out for my collab this weekend. And the 3rd winter journal is actually on that counter. I just sewed it together and it's not done. But the other ones are pretty much done. One of them's even mailed now. And then the other one is sitting right there on the washer, and you'll notice there's nothing else on the washer anymore. So that's a good sign. So I'm hoping to clean up this table and then make that counter over there good enough that I actually have space to work and finish. You'll notice my cutter is on the floor. I need to be able to get it up there on the counter. It is a pretty hot mess. So funny how my clean up Thursday night, I have 4 days, it should be great videos going. That's real crafting. Sometimes you plan to clean, but you decide to make journals and make a big mess. In the next video, I'll talk to you about how I make journals in a hurry and how I choose my paper and all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.